Will they, won't they? They've said they will not. But the point is, why would they not? Why would the Congress party, who wants to take credit for a lot of things associated with the Ram Mandir, including the fact that it was under the Rajiv Gandhi government in the year 86 that the Babri complex locks were opened. Kamal Nath also says that Rajiv Gandhi should be credited with the original Shilanyas of the Ram Mandir. A party that decides to do temple hopping in the run-up to almost every election. Rahul Gandhi is a strong believer in Lord Shiva, is what we are told. We also saw him at the Mahakal during the elections. Then Janay Udhari. These are all things that the Congress keeps telling us about its leaders, and there's nothing wrong with it. Soft Hindutva approach of the Congress sometimes works, sometimes it doesn't. Then there are also leaders in the Congress party, including Kamal Nath, who say hum sabse bade Hanuman bhakt hain. He also says that I will be a part of the consecration ceremony at Ayodhya. This is before the Congress even took a principled stand. So with all this history in mind, why really has the Congress decided not to be a part of the consecration ceremony that happens on the 22nd? Now the problem is that all these netas that you see on one side of the screen versus Narendra Modi, a lot of them largely remained confused. But now, most of them have decided that they will not be a part of the consecration ceremony that takes place. Now look at what the Congress said. Amongst a lot of other things, there are two very noteworthy things that the Congress reiterates in its statement. It says that this is a quote-unquote a BJP and an RSS event, and they also insist that religion is a personal matter. The second thing that they say is that quote-unquote Ram Mandir is a political project. But this again, ladies and gentlemen, is the same party that the BJP alleges denied the existence of Lord Ram for the longest time. In the middle of all this, the Congress has learned from its mistakes. That is why you have a lot of soft Hindutva approach. But in the run-up to the big battle of 2024, ladies and gentlemen, has the Congress party taken a wrong turn? Where would this turn lead the party to? What about the other IND alliance partners? Now, Mamata Banerjee, Sharad Pawar, and a lot of other leaders, including Akhilesh Yadav, said we are not going to be a part of this ceremony. But there is one neta and one party still in the IND alliance that people are closely watching towards. That is in Bihar. The leader is Nitish Kumar. The party is the Janata Dal United. Till now, we are given to understand that the party has not received an invite for the consecration ceremony. But just days ago, KC Tyagi, while he was speaking to us on the show The Burning Question, said, अगर हमें invitation मिलता है, तो हम जरूर जाएंगे. And he said, Ram सबके हैं, सबको जाना चाहिए. So let's put out this reaction first before we open up the debate, and then we'll figure out whether this is really a principled stand or a political harakiri by the Congress.
And religion must remain separate. One should not mix politics and religion, elections and religion. It is violative of the fundamental principle of our constitution.
मैं मानता हूं कि इतना दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण क्षण होगा कि मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम राम के इर्द गिर्द भी आप राजनीति करेंगे. मेरे और मेरे राम के बीच में सीधा ताल्लुक. गांधी मंदिर जाकर के राम भक्त नहीं बनते थे.
It's not been exposed by us or any political party, but seers and praised by themselves. This is the situation. So why should Congress party, President Sonia ji and a leader of opposition Adhir Ranjan should join it?
इस पर भी मैं अपनी पार्टी का और अपने नेता का रुख स्पष्ट करना चाहता हूं. राम हमारे आराध्य हैं, हमारी संस्कृति में उनका पूजा का स्थान है. हमारे जो आदर्श नेता थे डॉक्टर राम मनोहर लोहिया, उन्होंने राम, कृष्ण और शिव पर एक किताब लिखी है, और दूसरी किताब लिखी है उनकी रामायण मेले आयोजित किए जाने चाहिए. राम कृष्ण से और शिव से भी भिन्न है. कृष्ण के पास और शिव के पास अलौकिक शक्ति है, लेकिन ब्रज में भी जयराम जी की होती है, अयोध्या में भी जयराम जी की होती है. वो इस नाते मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम है कि जिन राज्यों को जीतते हैं वो साम्राज्यवादी नहीं है, वहां उनको राज सौंप के जाते हैं. चाहे बाली हो की मृत्यु के बाद सुग्रीव को दिया हो, या रावण की मृत्यु के बाद उनके भाई को दिया हो। इसलिए वो उनकी विभिन्नता को देखते हुए समाजवादी आंदोलन ने उनको अपना पूर्वज माना है। किसी को भी इससे ऐतराज नहीं होना चाहिए, लेकिन ये भी सच है कि इसका क्रेडिट कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ना ले। सुप्रीम कोर्ट के फैसले के बाद राम मंदिर का मार्ग प्रशस्त हुआ है। प्राण प्रतिष्ठा को देख करके हम प्रसन्न हैं, लेकिन इसके न्योतों में भी पॉलिटिक्स नहीं होनी चाहिए। नीतीश कुमार जी को अभी कोई निमंत्रण नहीं मिला है। अगर निमंत्रण मिलेगा वो इस पर विचार करेंगे, लेकिन कोई भी नकारात्मक टिप्पणी करने से सभी दलों के नेताओं को परहेज करना चाहिए, जिसका फायदा भारतीय जनता पार्टी उठाने में बहुत माहिर है।
And let's not forget, there is clearly a lot of buzz already about the fact that what could happen in the next few days in the run-up to the big inauguration of the Ram Mandir could set the tone and tenor for the big battle of 2024. It's good to have Charu Pragya, spokesperson of the BJP, with us. Nikhil Jain is an advocate, a political analyst. He leans towards the Congress. He's joining us from our studios here. Also, Anupriya is spokesperson of the Janata Dal United. And we are also, in fact, waiting for Professor Monojit Mandal, who leans towards the Trinamool, to join us in just a moment. But Nikhil, ये मोदी विरोध है या राम विरोध है? I mean, the INDA alliance hates Narendra Modi. That's the only thing gets all of you together. But in your hatred for Narendra Modi, Nikhil, have you forgotten everything that Rajiv Gandhi himself, as Kamal Nath says, as Digvijay Singh says, as Ashok Gehlot says, has done for the Ram Mandir? Are you even forgetting his contributions, Nikhil?
Aren't you forgetting two of the four Shankaracharyas in the country not willing to attend this inaugural event, this political event on the 22nd of January, also citing the fact that it is against Hindu rituals to inaugurate a temple that is incomplete. It is by government's own admission that this temple would be completed in 2025, yet the BJP is hurriedly running to inaugurate it on the 22nd of January, 3 months before the polling for the Lok Sabha elections, because for them, Ram is not an issue of faith or religion or belief, but it is a matter of politics. And that is the problem of the Congress party, of most parties of the India Alliance, of these Shankaracharyas, and millions of Hindus in the country.
So are you saying, Nikhil, that this is a decision that you have taken, based on what the Shankaracharyas have said? You are obviously not, remembering the fact that the Congress is a political party. The Congress needs to fight election. Shankaracharya ji सब politics में नहीं है ना. लेकिन अनुप्रिया, रुकिए, निखिल, I will come back. अगर आप
हम ये कह रहे हैं कि देश के दो शंकराचार्य राम विरोधी हैं,
राम मंदिर की प्राण प्रतिष्ठा में जाते हैं निखिल, तो उससे क्या खराब हो जाता है? या आपको क्या लगता है कि क्या नुकसान होता है?
ये शंकराचार्य से भी
वो इलेक्शन नहीं लड़ेंगे।
अगर देश के दो सबसे बड़े हिंदू, वही बात आ गई ना, इलेक्शन. That is the point, Deepti. It is about elections. It is not about religion. It is about elections, not about religion.
Because you have said that the Ram Mandir is a political project. That is what the Congress's statement has said. That the Ram Mandir is a political project by the BJP.
That the BJP is trying to. The Congress's statement, The Congress's statement is that the BJP is trying to make the Ram Mandir a political project.
Let
me put out two very important facts for your viewers.
Is it not on the directions of the Supreme Court, Nikhil, that we are having the Ram Mandir?
Absolutely.
So either
you. Where is the BJP in all of this then?
The Supreme Court has said. The Supreme Court said there should be a Ram Mandir.
The Supreme Court has said the Mandir should be made, and the Congress party has embraced it. The Congress party is merely declining the invitation to a political event on the 22nd of January. The Congress party is not against the Ram Mandir. And let your viewers know two very important points.
In fact, we'll also put out those graphics that actually tells you about what's happening between the INDA alliance partners and a lot of other netas. The UP Congress netas, about 100 of them, Nikhil, are going to be visiting Ram Mandir on the 15th, Makar Sankranti पे. क्या आप उनको रोक लेंगे?
क्यों रोकना क्यों चाहिए?
अच्छा, तो you want to run with the hair, you want to hunt with the hound, आपने prove किया ना निखिल that this is actually Modi Virod only. And in your Modi Virod, you're also doing a Ram Virod. But Anupriya, wait. Let's get Anupriya also, and then I think by the time we'll also have Monojit with us. Anupriya ji, क्या नीतीश कुमार जी को निमंत्रण मिला है? Has he been formally invited for the consecration?
दीप्ति जी, मुझे आधिकारिक रूप से यह जानकारी है कि अभी तक कोई हमें आमंत्रण नहीं मिला है। निश्चित तौर पे आपने अपने स्टूडियो में और अपने चैनल पे भी हमने राष्ट्रीय प्रवक्ता केसी त्यागी जी को सुनाया निश्चित तौर पे आमंत्रण मिलेगा, हम उस पर विचार करेंगे। लेकिन हमने यह भी कहा है कि प्रभु श्री राम जो है आराध्य है और सनातन के लिए हम सभी का ये धर्म बनता है, उस पर टीका टिप्पणी नहीं करें। लेकिन जब मैं एक बात क्लियर करना चाहती हूँ कि अगर बीजेपी ने इसे एजेंडा बनाया है, क्योंकि अगर यह बीजेपी के लिए होता, क्योंकि आपने अपने कैप्शन में डाला कि क्या ये बीजेपी मोदी राम विरोधी या मोदी विरोधी, निश्चित तौर पे अगर हम पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज विरोध कर रहे हैं तो हम मोदी विरोधी हो गए, हम राम विरोधी हो गए। लेकिन 4 शंकराचार्यों ने इस आमंत्रण को ठुकराया है। देखिए, अगर प्रभु श्री राम को आप कहते हैं तो वो धर्म से ही जुड़ा हुआ सवाल है, वह पॉलिटिकल पार्टी से जुड़ा हुआ सवाल नहीं है। वो हमारे हिंदू धर्म के आराध्य हैं और प्रभु हैं, तो हिंदू रीति रिवाज से ही आप चलेंगे। जब
Anupriya,
inauguration
देखिए,
करना
Anupriya,
है,
when the Congress says that this is a political event, much like Akhilesh Yadav, I do remember Akhilesh Yadav, Nikhil and Anupriya said for the longest time कि अभी तो invitation मिला ही नहीं है, invitation मिलेगा तो जाएंगे. And the moment the invitation arrives, Anupriya, he says कि अरे जिनसे invitation आया वो तो strangers हैं और हम किसी stranger के द्वारा दिए गए invitation में नहीं जाते. तो देखिए, I mean, people, Nikhil, people are watching. The point is, the point is there is a Tirth Sthan that is organizing the entire Pran Pratishtha. The BJP for the longest time has been fighting for the Ram Mandir. But Anupriya, tell me just one little thing. Will Nitish Kumar, if invited, be going for the Pran Pratishtha or not? Or you believe, like the Congress, you will also boycott the big ceremony?
दीप्ति जी, मैंने पहले भी क्लियर कहा कि अगर हमें आमंत्रण मिलेगा, निश्चित तौर पे हम जाने का प्रयास करेंगे, क्योंकि ये लास्टली ये डिसीजन लेना है हमारे नीतीश कुमार जी, हमारे नेता को। पर मैं फिर कहती हूँ कि आपने ये जो पूरे इंडिया अलायंस को एक कटघरे में लाके खड़ा कर दिया है कि मोदी विरोधी या राम विरोधी, बिल्कुल ये पॉलिटिकल इवेंट हो गया है। क्योंकि अगर हम हिंदू रीति रिवाज को मानेंगे, सनातन रीति रिवाज को मानेंगे, तो यह उचित नहीं है कि किसी भी प्राण प्रतिष्ठा अधूरी मंदिर में हो। और इसको अगर हम हिंदू हैं तो अपने शंकराचार्य को मानेंगे। क्या पॉलिटिकल हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी कहते हैं वो ये
अरे अनुप्रिया, कोई स्टैंड लीजिए ना, आप सीधा बोलिए कि आप कांग्रेस की तरह नहीं जाएंगे। दिक्कत ये है कि पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज बहुत ओपेक हो जाती है। अनुप्रिया, केसी त्यागी जी से जब हमने बातचीत की थी, उन्होंने सीधा ये कहा था अभी तक इन्विटेशन नहीं आए, लेकिन अगर इन्विटेशन आएगा तो नीतीश कुमार जी विचार करेंगे। कांग्रेस को 20 दिन लगते हैं, निखिल, टू डिसाइड दैट दे विल नॉट बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस। बट बिफोर आई कम बैक टू बोथ ऑफ यू अगेन, एंड वी आर ऑल्सो ट्राइंग टू गेट Monojit with us. Charu, I mean, is this all about politics for the BJP, as both Nikhil and Anupriya have also been asserting? What about the Shankaracharyas? What about their Virod? Is the BJP not concerned about anything but votes, as they allege?
Deepti, good evening. I'm too small and too junior to comment on what a Shankaracharya says in my country. But at the same time, I also want to draw attention to what he used to say before it was decided by the Supreme Court that Ram Mandir must come up on that Janmabhoomi itself. He said, मंशा ही नहीं है, मोदी जी की मंशा ही नहीं है भारत सरकार की यहाँ राम मंदिर बने। जब बनने लगा तो उन्होंने दूसरे सवाल उठाने शुरू कर दिए। बट दैट बीइंग सेड, मैं इससे ज़्यादा नहीं बोलना चाहती। व्हेन द डे इज ओवरहेड, वील ऑल नो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग। बट हियर दोज हु आर सेइंग दिस इवेंट इज बीइंग पॉलिटिसाइज्ड, लेट मी फर्स्ट बिगिन बाय आस्किंग Nikhil, when the Supreme Court said that the Ram Mandir must be made, you know what the Congress did? They ran to take credit. All Congress spokespersons, Nikhil included, were saying ताला किसने तोड़ा था। लगता है निखिल ये बात भूल गए हैं। At the same time, now on 22nd of January, Karnataka government is getting ready. It's given instructions to all the temples that Bhagwan Shri Ram must be celebrated and prayed to on 22nd on government expenditure. So what are you doing now? Isn't this politicizing? And when you blame BJP, when you raise fingers at BJP, let me very honestly and frankly tell you, in 1989 BJP decided that this movement is going to be our movement. We own it, we claim it, we're not ashamed of it. Ram Mandir has been very important for us and we have fought every step of the way, and we are grateful to the Supreme Court to supporting this movement for us. At the same time, now जब प्राण प्रतिष्ठान होने जा रहे हैं, you are turning around and saying कि ये political है। भाई, या तो आप बोलो भगवान सबके हैं तो सब जाएं, एक तरफ आप बोलते हैं भगवान सबके, हमको इन्विटेशन की जरूरत नहीं, इन्विटेशन आता है आप उसको ठुकरा देते हैं।
I'm a little confused, Charu. Will Nitish Kumar ji be invited for the consecration?
And at the same time, with the same
good evening also to Monojit, who joins us. Monojit, before I come to you, Charu, Nitish Kumar.
What is your
Charu,
question?
will you be inviting Nitish Kumar for the consecration?
Yes, absolutely. I'm sure the invitation will come to him sooner or later. But let me tell you who all is not attending. Congress is not attending. TMC is not attending. Samajwadi Party is not attending. CPIM is not attending. Shiv Sena is not attending. So anybody who aligns themselves with India Alliance, anybody who supported the DMK statement that went against Sanatan and Hindus is obviously not going to attend, because how will they play
Okay.
out their
But
minority
you know,
politics?
Charu,
How will their
Charu,
appeasement
let
continue?
me-
अगर आ गए
let
राम
me
मंदिर में
just
तो
turn the
भाई
argument
that
on
is
its
why
head.
they
See, the
never
Congress
spoke
is
out
doomed
against
if they do.
DMK,
The Congress
because
is
in
doomed if they don't.
appeasement
You know,
is more important
Charu,
than
the
respect
BJP
for
has
Gandhi.
been calling them anti-Hindu for the longest time. For the longest time. And Nikhil, whether you
it's very
accept this or
easy to
not,
say
you
कि we
believe
are
that, you know,
very
this
small,
possibly could help you
not
consolidate your
asking the
votes in
questions.
Kerala, in Telangana, in Karnataka. A lot of leaders have spoken like that. But Anupriya ji, aati hu aapke paas. Let me quickly get it, Monojit. Monojit, why does Mamata Banerjee believe this is an election gimmick? You know, आप दुर्गा माँ की पूजा करते हैं, पूरे देश में दुर्गा माँ की पूजा होती है. No one says that's a gimmick, you know. To be able to say that Ram Mandir ki pratishtha is an election gimmick, Monojit, I mean, why? Why should a political party be speaking like that? Why can you be so casual about someone's faith?
First of all, whose program it is? Is it the government of India's program or BJP's program? I do not think the Supreme Court of India has asked BJP to build a Ram Mandir and then make politics out of it. And then on top of this, now you're saying this Pran Pratishtha. It's not inauguration of the temple. You have actually now changed the semantics entirely, because you know the temple is not been built, and many of even the religious gurus who are in many sense real Hindu sect of this country, our
But many
seers,
are going also,
they are
no?
also
So you will
refusing
want to
to
talk
go.
about
Please, hang
some
on,
who
hang on,
might have
hang
said
on,
something
hang
negative or
on.
political.
Are you a
You will
Hindu?
not talk about crores of
If you
people who
are
are
a
happy
Hindu,
and
you
celebrating
will-
today.
Charu, let
And
him
your
complete, then
party,
you can
your
counter
leader,
him.
you also have a problem.
Monojit, but I just want to draw your attention to the moot question I asked. Is this the Modi Virod or is this the Ram Virod?
Mr. Mandal can only
Monojit.
scream. Tell me, did you not put people in jail for only chanting Jai Shri Ram? You are not happy. You are not happy at all. You
Pull back,
side with
pull back.
DMK
Charu,
against
pull back,
Sanatan.
please.
How will you be happy?
We can't hear either of you like this,
Hindu
please.
person on TV.
One by one.
She is the
Monojit,
most
Monojit
un-Hindu
first.
person on TV because she is
Monojit,
most intolerant.
Monojit,
Ram
is
was a
worshipping
tolerant
Lord
man,
Ram
my
is
dear.
going
You
to
have
the
Lord
temple of
Ram
Lord Ram
certificates
against
to Hindu.
secularism in the country?
Of course, yeah, because
Monojit.
they also believe in the Congress thought of good Hindus and bad Hindus. Who is he
Look
to
at
hand out a
yourself. I
certificate to
pity you.
BJP?
I pity
And why is
your
he
level of
being allowed
tolerance.
to talk
When you
like
do
this?
not
Tell
allow
me.
others
No,
to
if both of you keep speaking over each other, I can barely hear you.
People behind
You
bars
are an
for chanting
un-Hindu
Jai Shri
person.
Ram,
You
and
are
they
a
should be
fake
ashamed.
un-Hindu
And how
person
dare he point a
destroying
finger at me in
Monojit,
that
please don't make this personal against anyone. Okay, we'll go to Anupriya.
Otherwise, I will ensure this debate.
Monojit and Charu, please pull back for a moment. Let me get Anupriya.
We go a step further.
अनुप्रिया जी, चारू प्रज्ञा ने ये क्लियर किया है कि नीतीश कुमार जी को तो इनविटेशन आएगा. तो अब देखिए नीतीश कुमार जी से भी सवाल पूछा जाएगा ना कि वो जाएंगे नहीं जाएंगे. क्या नीतीश कुमार और आपकी पार्टी भगवान राम के खिलाफ है या उनके साथ है?
जी
अनुप्रिया
आप
only,
बार
please.
बार एक ही
Monojit.
सवाल को पूछ रही है. मैंने बहुत क्लियर कहा कि
अनुप्रिया.
निश्चित तौर पे आमंत्रण मिलेगा तो निश्चित में हमारे नेता वो जाएंगे. लेकिन बार बार जो दीप्ति जी आप यहाँ देखिए चारू प्रज्ञा जी कितनी आसानी से उन्होंने टर्न मारा कि मैं बहुत छोटी हूँ, आई एम सो स्मॉल, नॉट आंसरिंग द क्वेश्चन ऑफ द शंकराचार्य. आप ये बताइए कि आप सनातनी है या नहीं. सनातन क्या कहता है और सनातन एक नियम लागू करता है. Why are you not following the rule of Sanatan? चारू प्रज्ञा, it's very
That's
easy.
it.
It's very
You have
easy.
nothing of any consequence or importance to say no
You are
facts to
denying.
court.
No,
You sit here and only make
Are you
personal remarks.
Sanatan
That's
or
your
not?
politics. Shame on you, Mr. Mandal.
You are an un-Hindu person on TV. You do not let anyone speak. That's
You know,
your
Charu,
culture.
Anupriya and
I need to
Monojit.
stop to this.
I
No,
don't
am
understand
taking
why all
grave
of you are
offense
fighting
at this.
amongst
Who is this
yourselves.
disrespectful
See,
person who
we were
has
having a pretty
allowed
good
I will
conversation.
not be
We were having a pretty good conversation. Please, I request all of you to
Who is
speak
he?
one by one. please.
So who is he? How
It's
dare
important to
he
hear
talk to
everyone.
you like
This is a very,
And
very
how
important
dare,
issue.
who is he to give certificates? He's
Charu,
friends with the
Charu,
Congress,
please
so he'll
pull
decide
back.
who's a good Hindu,
Charu,
who's a bad
please
Hindu.
pull back. Please.
Make him apologize, Deepti. I will not let
Anupriya
him
and
go
Charu,
any
please.
further. I'm sorry, Deepti.
Ladies,
You have to
ladies,
make him
please.
apologize, otherwise
Please.
I'm going to switch the camera off. I will not allow this.
Monojit.
Who the hell you are? Who the hell you are?
No, who are you?
Monojit, I
You
cannot
are a
even figure out
nobody
what
who
you're
does not
saying
even
because all of you are
understand
talking at the
this.
same
Ask
time.
people's religion.
You.
Who are you?
I do not
Who are you?
disturb like
You are a nobody.
You can't see manners on TV.
Okay,
You don't
let all
see
faders
manners
go
on
down.
TV.
I'll
What are
get
you
Nikhil
doing
into the conversation
continuously?
quickly.
Deepti,
Nikhil,
put a fader on
the
the
Janata
person and
United
make him
says कि हम तो जाएंगे.
Deepti, you have
So
to
people
make
will
him
ask this
apologize
question, na,
to
कि India Alliance itself does not stand united. I mean, someone like a Nitish Kumar does understand the political nuance. You do realize in the battle for 2024, you know, the fence-sitter vote, who perhaps is still able to decide and make up his mind, when the BJP tells you that you are anti-Hindu, might not end up voting for you also.
So Deepti, first of all, when questions are asked to the BJP that why is a certain political leader invited or not invited to the temple, they very clearly and easily say that it is the trust's doing. We have nothing to do with it. The trust is independent. The mandir is being built on the judgment of the Supreme Court. The land of the mandir on which it is being built, that is 70 acres of land, all of which has been acquired by the 1993 Congress government under Narasimha Rao. I'm not quite sure what is the contribution of the BJP to the Ram Mandir other than playing politics over Ram and the faith and belief of the Hindus. And earlier in the starting of the show, you had said that Congress party is the party that has been going around saying that Ram does not exist. Let me correct you on that. That it was the government of India that had filed an affidavit in the Supreme Court basis a technical body, that is the ASI, comments that we don't have any archaeological evidence for that, but Ram and Hinduism is a matter of
Nikhil, you know, there are problems with what you've said at multiple levels. You know, multiple leaders in the Congress party, including a Kapil Sibal, you would recall, when he went to the Supreme Court, he said, "Iski please सुनवाई 2019 के बाद तक कर दीजिए, otherwise ये election पर इसका असर होगा." है ना?
Exactly, and what is happening right now? The Ram Mandir has been made into a political issue by the BJP. That an incomplete temple is being inaugurated. Are the Hindus of this country not worried about the fact that the largest temple to Lord Ram at his birthplace is being made, but the consecration of the temple, 2 of the 4 Shankaracharyas are not attending, simply because the temple is not being consecrated following
We've just
ritual,
lost
Hindu
that
rituals.
connection. We've
Is
just
that
lost
not
that
an issue of
connection with
problem?
Charu Pragya. Otherwise, she would have responded to this. But
Debate because she couldn't answer on it.
Let's
That
be
is, Charu is a
fair to
wonderful
her.
person
Let's be fair to
individually,
her.
but that's the BJP
There has
strategy.
been some technical issue because of which we could not hear her. I'll just give the last closing 30 seconds to Monojit because I've barely been able to hear him. Monojit, why do you want to give the BJP this plan, the BJP to say that all of you are anti-Hindu and win the elections of 2024? You don't want to fight the elections for 2024 at all like this?
Yes, so you are making it amply clear Ram Mandir is an election issue. You are saying this is Modi or Modi
Ram
hate or
Mandir is an
anti-Ram.
election issue for sure.
I mean, you
Ram
are behaving
Mandir
like
has
BJP.
been on the
Why
BJP's
are you
manifesto
behaving
for the
like
longest
Charu
time.
Pragya? You are not allowing, you are not BJP. Why are you disturbing me? You are behaving like Charu Pragya. She's not allowing anyone to speak.
No one is stopping you, Monojit, but please come to the fact. Please come to the
How do I
fact.
come to the fact if you do not allow me to speak?
You have a problem with someone saying Jai Shri Ram in Bengal.
Anti-Ram and anti-Modi. Anti-Ram or anti-Modi, that was your caption. What does it suggest? Is it
तो
Mr.
आप
Modi's
anti-Ram
temple
है, anti-Modi
or
है?
Ram temple? Is it Mr.
Monojit.
Modi's temple, Ram विरोधी और मोदी विरोधी? इसका मतलब क्या है? कि मोदी का टेम्पल है या राम के टेम्पल है? मुझे लगता है ये मोदी का टेम्पल है, बीजेपी का टेम्पल है, लॉर्ड लामा का टेम्पल नहीं है. There lies the problem. First of all, Supreme Court gave direction to the government of India, not to BJP. But fact remains in this country that BJP and the government are synonymous. As synonymous, they are all other wing, CBI, ED, income tax. Shame in this country is that the most un-Hindu political party in this country are talking about Hinduism. Learn tolerant. Lord Rama was a tolerant person. Lord Rama was for the marginal and minorities. Please read Ramayana.
No,
While
Monojit.
Lord Rama was living
Monojit,
for the
you're
forest,
missing the wood for the trees. And you know, because I do not have a BJP panelist right now on the show, all this is going to go uncontested, but with the promise that we'll get the BJP back to respond to this. But for For the moment, this is about Ram Virod or Modi Virod or a political suicide for the Congress and the IND alliance. We are watching that space closely. I thank Anupriya and both gentlemen for joining us.